Hey guys, it's Mr. Brown. Just wanted to give you an introduction to our matter unit that we're going to start today. So I wanted to talk to you about basically give you a little background information on matter. So everything in the universe falls into two categories, energy and matter. And what we're concerned about right now is the matter part. Energy is a power or force that causes change or makes a process happen. So as we conduct some of our experiments, you're going to see that they work together. But more importantly, matter can be defined as anything that takes up space and has mass. Matter can be detected by one of the five senses. And of course we know that the five senses are see, smell, taste, touch, and hear. Matter is made up of atoms, which are particles that are too small for the human eye to see. Different atoms are called elements. If you are not familiar with elements, you can go online and Google the periodic table of elements, and you'll see there's a whole bunch of different elements. Atoms combine, or kind of almost like a magnet. They combine to form molecules and compounds, and these are the basic building blocks of matter. The atoms of matter are in constant motion. How fast they move, though, and their distance from each other determines the nature of the matter. And we'll talk about more about that later as well. Solids, liquids, and gases are the three main states of matter. Each of these states of matter is categorized by different atomic speeds, or the speed that the molecules move at, and the distances, giving them distinct properties. All matter has properties. The properties of matter can be separated into two categories, physical and chemical. Some examples of physical properties, of course, are size, shape, color, smell, boiling point, freezing point, and melting point. For example, with water, ice, and steam. And of course, density, and we'll talk about density later too. Chemical properties include pH, which is how much acid is in a liquid, and heat of combustion, which means different types of matter melt or combust or create fire at different temperatures. Many of the properties that matter are observable using the human eye, but many other properties we need certain tools or instruments like rulers, scales, or microscopes, and even magnets to see how those properties work. And lastly, one widely accepted theory is that matter can't be created or destroyed. It basically changes form. So when it's acted upon by an external force, matter will rearrange or change in form, but it will never lose its original source of materials. So I hope that's useful to get you started, and we're going to start in on some fun experiments and go into STEMscopes. If you have any questions, let me know. Take care.